So, hello, namaskar, dosto. This is Priyam Mishra, and currently I am in my field doing English speaking practice. So, if you are a pro and you have enough knowledge, then please find out my fault. Whatever I am speaking here, if there is any fault, then please let me know in the comment section. And if you are a beginner, then please learn something from me. That how I am framing the sentences. As yeah, there are many things which you can get from this video. So let's get started. So as you can see that currently I am in my field, and there is a lot of greenery which attract me a lot, because being a blazer, I love these things. And yeah, so if we talk about myself, then I'm doing many things apart from recording this video, or you can say uploading this video. So yeah, many were confused that what else I am doing apart from uploading the videos. So there is a lot of things I am doing, and even I am preparing to without any doubt. So if we talk about that, how you have to speak this particular language, because the motive is to speak this language, to understand that how you have to be fluent in this language. So my secret would be like, there is not any secret. You have to practice, and the practice must be in a proper and the right direction, because there are people who know well, they have enough knowledge of the grammar and many other things which is required for this speaking practice. They have enough knowledge of vocab. So the thing is that they are not able to speak. The reason is behind that they never ever did practice. And for that you have to practice, you have to speak without thinking about anything, because eventually speaking will matter. Okay, so if you able to speak regardless of correct or incorrect, it will enhance your confidence, and gradually you will improve yourself. And this is the secret, I think, of this language or any language, whatever language you want to learn. This is the secret to learn any language. You have to speak, because being introvert, you would not able to speak. So my suggestion, my advice, my request would be like that: you have to start, and don't wait or watch anything now. You have enough vocab and you have enough knowledge of the grammar to speak this language. Earlier, I used to think that I have to be pro in the grammar and I have to be master vocabulary and many other things. But eventually, I got to know that yeah, somehow it is true. But the thing is that eventually you have to start. Even if you have basic knowledge, then you have to do. So many times when you will start framing the sentences, then you will find yourself that you are not able to frame sentences in a correct way, or you are not getting proper word for that particular situation, or to describe that particular things or position or goods. Yeah, it will happen naturally. It will be happen with everyone who want to speak and who want to learn this language. If someone is not interested, then definitely that will person not face any problem. If you are interested, you want to learn, definitely then you have to face problem. And I think these are the things you have to do. And one more things from my side, that there are some tenses, some sentences which are mostly used while speaking. So you must have knowledge of the connectors like conjunction and use of the preposition. Yeah, you must have knowledge about these things. You can watch videos on the YouTube, and if you have, yeah, and you can also watch the videos of the popular English speakers from the YouTubes, and you will able to understand that how you have to use your word and your sentences. So these are the things from my side, and you have to do without any doubt. Yeah, let's talk about next thing in next video. And one more thing, if you are getting any fault from my side, then definitely please let me know in the comment section. You are most welcome there. And yes, if you are getting something, you are able to know something from my video, then definitely please like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Thank you.